So the first three things that you are given are the clues. And this is what they want you to find. That's the problem. So we're using the two things from yesterday where it says log base b of a plus log base b of c equals log base b of ac. Addition goes to multiplication, but multiplication goes to division, to addition. It goes both ways. Those problems go in both directions. And the other one is log base b of a plus minus log base b of c equals log base b of a over c. Those are the two rules we're using, okay? So you're going to use these clues to figure out a way to find the log base 8 of 1 over 10. And this one's very easy. So, since we have division, 1 over 10 is division, 1 divided by 10, that's the same as the log base 8 of 1 minus the log base 8 of 10. On the log base 8 of 1, I don't see log base 8 of 1 up here anywhere. Do you? As the clues? But I do know what exponent do I need to put on an 8 to get to 1? To equal 1? 0. So this is equal to 0. The exponent you have to put on a number to equal 1 is 0. 8 to the 0 equals 1. You understand that? And then up there, if you look, the log base 8 of 10 is 1.1. So the answer to this is going to be negative 1.1. All of these clues are approximations. Notice it does not have an equal sign. It has a squiggly. That means approximately. So since it's a fraction again, 121 over 3, you do the log base 3 of 121 minus the log base 3 of 3. Neither one of those are up here in my clues. So what am I going to do? Log base 3 of 121 is the same as log base 3 of 11 squared. Everybody get that? Mm-hmm. And then, what exponent do I have to put on a 3 to get 3?
0. Or 1.
1. Very good. So we already know that's minus 1, right? Does everybody remember the exponent rule? If that's an exponent, it goes in the front. So it's 2 log base 3 of 11 minus 1, which is 2 times 2.2 minus 1, which is 4.4 minus 1, which is 3.4. So whenever they give you your clues, you also add the log and whatever base here of this same number. So if it's base 6, you would add log base 6 of 6. If it's base 7, log base 7 of 7. And that's always going to equal to 1, okay?